The Meristem by KayScience.com. I'm now drawing the root of a plant. The collection of cells at the tip of the root is a collection of cells called the meristem. Stem cells. So this is where stem cells are in the roots, and this is where mitosis happens. So as you can see here, this is where cell division takes place, where one cell divides into two cells, those two divide into 4, 8, 16, and so on. So new cells are formed in the meristem. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Roots grow. They grow longer. And this happens in the zone of elongation. This is where the cells that are formed in the meristem of the roots, they elongate. And this is called the zone of elongation, where the cells elongate, get longer. This is where the cell's length increases. When the cells have elongated in the zone of elongation, they will then differentiate into root hair cells. So the cells will firstly be formed in the meristem. They then elongate in the zone of elongation, and then they will differentiate into specialised cells, in this case, root hair cells. And cells specialise in the zone of differentiation, It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.